Welcome to your next kitchen upgrade with the Viking 5-Ply 10-piece stainless steel cookware set designed for chefs of all levels. This versatile set includes frying pans, saucepans with lids, and an 8-quart stockpot for all your cooking needs. Crafted with a 5-ply construction, it features a non-reactive stainless steel interior, a 3-ply aluminum core for even heat distribution, and a magnetic exterior perfect for induction cooking. The ergonomic riveted handles provide comfortable grip and control while cooking. Safe to use on all cooktops and ovens, safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It handles everything from simple boiling to complex sauces. Finished with a sleek satin look and easy to clean by hand or in the dishwasher, it combines style and durability. This cookware set also makes a thoughtful gift for cooking enthusiasts who appreciate quality and performance in their kitchen tools. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.